How much money did I make in my first year of B2B sales? Let's talk about it because pay transparency is super important. My name is Matt Easton. My first B2B sales job was in 1994. It was in software, and I lived in Denver, Colorado. My base salary for that position back then was $30,000 a year with an additional $35,000 in target comp commissions for a total compensation of $65,000 a year. In today's dollars, that's going to be a base salary of $59,000 in total compensation with base and commissions, $128,050 in today's money. Now here's the cool thing. Even with that being my first B2B sales job, I was able to use some of the same techniques that I teach at Easton University, that I teach people just like you. And in that first year, I was able to be Rookie of the Year for the company, and I set the record amongst all salespeople for the most amount of sales. And that year, my first year, I was able to earn $147,500. Now in today's money, that's going to be $290,575. That's a lot of money, at least I think it is, for your first year in B2B sales. If you want to learn some of those same techniques that helped me make that kind of money my first year, consider giving me a follow or head on over to eastonuniversity.com for exclusive content and live training from me to help you get there.